Okay, so we're going to do another problem here. Solve for x. This time it's going to involve subtraction, and our problem is going to be x minus 7 equal to 12. So again, if I view the equal sign as a balance, then my left side must equal my right side. And again, I'm going to use that piece of information to my advantage here. And what I'm going to try to do is isolate the x. And isolating the x means that I'm going to try to get rid of this -7. But remember, if it's a balance, then getting rid of this -7, whatever I do to do that, I'm going to have to do it to both sides so that the balance remains equal. So how do I get rid of a -7? Well, I will have to create a 0, so -7 plus what number will equal 0? In this case, it's going to be plus 7. So what I do to one side, notice I use it in red, and I'm going to have something in red also on this side. What I do to one side, I must do to the other side. In that way, the balance remains equal. So again, what's the consequence of -7 plus 7? Well, that is that I get x plus 0. I have to do the same thing on the right side, so 12 plus 7, that equals 19. Now, this is not very appropriately presented. I normally would not say x plus 0 because it's obvious that x plus 0 is simply x. So I find that my answer is x equal to 19, but I want to be absolutely sure of that. So yet again, I use the left side, right side check to find that out. So I'm going to look only on the left side. That means I'm going to take the original question, x minus 7, and I'm going to plop that on the left side here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the answer that I believe to be true, and I'm going to plug that in for the x. I'm going to replace that x with 19. So here's the original question, x minus 7. There it is. I believe the answer to be 19, so I'm going to plug in x. X is 19. 19 minus 7 is 12. And since my right side was 12 from the very beginning, I now know that 12 is equal to 12, so left side equals right side. Again, I know I'm right.